A rare and severe hailstorm struck Alexandria, Egypt on Saturday, May 31st, 2025, causing significant disruption across the coastal city. The storm brought strong winds, heavy rain, and hail leading to flooding, damage to infrastructure, and a state of emergency declaration by local authorities. While storms are common along Egypt's Mediterranean coast in winter, this spring event was described by media outlets as unprecedented. Scientists warn that extreme weather is becoming more frequent due to climate change, which drives both droughts and intense, unpredictable rainstorms. Alexandria is particularly vulnerable to climate impacts, suffering from coastal erosion, rising sea levels, and flooding from annual storms.